Look! Beard Guang and the others! My storybook! I'm coming!
Hey, be careful!
I'm gonna be first in line to buy it.
Thank you for warning me about Killer Blade, Big Feng. Until next time. Things have definitely been odd in Qinghe lately. And Aunt Han just keeps saying everything can wait until the first jar banquet.
Ends of the earth, inches apart. Ah, you're the first person to talk to me in 3 days. Here, you can have this. What do you think? For 3 days I called out to passersby, but you were the only one to stop. This item belongs to you. It's fate. By the way, I have another item that's even more extraordinary. However, its value demands a little something extra. Interested?
Wait, you're actually going to give me the money? You wouldn't be one of those Well of Heaven saints, would you?
Well of Heaven?
Oh, you're not. Well, the way you throw money around, you might as well be. Take this copy of Wulin Journal. It is fated to be yours.
What do you mean, fated? I paid good money for this.
Good fortune is hard to buy, even with piles of gold. Why fret over such worldly things? Kind wanderer, please do one last favor. When you leave, drive away that black bear too. In the future, if you meet others of like, say, ends of the earth, inches apart, and they'll give you maps of the world.
The bear seems to know martial arts. Let me learn from it. get to General Shrine. Ruby is still waiting for me.
Such a fine young one. The voice, the passion, reminds me of 16 years ago. I know you're gifted. I'll give you a chance. Take these fire arrows and retrieve the oddity from that tree.
He speaks madness, but something is odd over there.
Young one, let me hear that new oddity you found. What a blessing! The rhythm and sound of the world, all contained in oddities.
Oddity? What an odd name.
This object is of great use to me. If you find more, I shall grant you all my treasures. Young one, your notes may be off, but you are fated for sure. Destiny approaches. Change is coming. Your choice will shape your path ahead.
So mystical. I'll note down this treasure exchange for now, and go to the General Shrine to find Ruby first. Though Uncle Jiang has been gone for 3 years, Aunt Han still sets aside a jar of wine for him every year.
Damn it! All this chasing for nothing? He didn't slip away, did he? Hey! Are you blind? Out of the way!
It's a public road. I'll walk where I please.
You!
Hey, let's not get sidetracked. Our apologies, Wanderer. We have an urgent matter to attend to. Please, forgive.
Now get out of my way!
You hold your head pretty high for a horse thief.
Young master, Hey, it's young master.
What are you all doing here? Oh, has anyone seen Ruby?
Sure did. She even entered you into a match. That trader set up an arena, saying that the prize was some fancy treasures for swordsmen. Ruby paid right then and there to get you in. Now go, give it a try, and win her money back.
Young Master is the best. Dares to eat snakes, frogs, and tigers.
Young Master is the best! Dare to catch chicken, cats, and geese!
Not exactly.
Good folk, gather round old Jean. A chance for riches is rolling in. As a gesture of goodwill, soon my treasures I will spill. The hero's arena is all set. True heroes only pass this step. Don't waver and don't hesitate, or else you'll find yourself too late. With the challenges halfway done, the grand prize now is almost won. Feeling tempted? Is it true? Then step up and face Feng Shu. Feng Shu of Well of Heaven, known as the Divine Might Legend. Fierce of heart, strong as an ox, easily splits steel and rocks. Come one, come all to the post-match auction. Fresh trinkets on the block. The highest bid wins the lot. Exclusive soapberry offer. Buy one gene, get half a gene free. Limited supply. Get it while you can.
When I first joined Well of Heaven, my future junior brother hit me with 4 sticks. Blaze, but in a few years, I'm his son. Call me his senior brother. Martial skills are beating me to you. Today, I will let that lesson take me. Slide around! What's happening?
Still fighting? Stop! Win death! Down! My blade! My win! Win next door! My blade! My blade! My win! My blades!
What a snake. Random storybooks and so-called beast eggs that are just chicken eggs. What's next? Bedtime tales? 50,000 strings for a place in Kaifeng, and the discount is 10 wen. Can commoners even dream of buying that? And if they could, would 10 wen matter? Giving out trash as prizes, selling stolen goods, and even tricking little children. How shameless. Why don't you step into the arena and face me, old Jean?
Huh? Tricking children?
I wouldn't dare, I swear. I once dreamed of the Zhenghu too. It's a rare joy to meet someone so clever and wary. Take the set along with the prize. I don't quite understand its design, but what's inside may serve you well.
Not as well as the profits you take, I'm sure. Enough pretending. I won it fair and square, so hand it over. If it's a fake, I'll show you how Feng Shu ended up flat on his back.
All yours.
Water and fire forged by divine craft. Oh, this is surely from Moist Hill. Old Jean, did you take this from the divine craft cave? Old Jean? He sure slipped away fast. Better bring more.
Signed goose egg.
Happy now?
You bet! There's so much in here! I can be a hero now! Since you paid, I'll share it with you. You can have this road sign. This one for me, and this one for you, and this one is for me. This is so lovely! This... well, you can have it.
You greedy little thing. Go on, take it. Okay, you keep the rest for yourself.
Then I'll start reading this Tales of Great Heroes. Whoa! There's this hero called Yi Tao. He carries a big blade. I got one too. And he has a secret book. We have one too, right? Oh, and great heroes always have a horse. There's a horse.
Little Ruby, running off again to meet us before we even get to Heaven's Door.
Wow, this horse is so cool.
All right then. If you've got what you came for, it's time to head home.
Huh? There are some other things. But I don't have to buy them.
Other things? Come on, if you want something, go buy it. What's with the I don't have to nonsense?
That no good toad swallowed my pouch. And now all my money's gone. So let's just go home. I don't have to buy those.
No good toad. So you spent all your money at Old Jean's. No coins, huh? Then let's head home.
Huh? But that dancing horse looks so fun. And the pine nut candy smells so good. There are too many nice things. I don't want to go home with just one.
What else do you want, Ruby? Pine nut candy?
Mm-hmm.
Go on, buy it. It's on me. I can afford that much at least.
Yippee! Thanks, Uncle Guang. I hope you have the best and luckiest year ever. I'll make sure Daddy saves you the finest wine.
It's all right. The merchant caravan will keep an eye on her. She's safe here, so go ahead.
Oh, Guang, don't spoil her like that.
If you don't want it, then you can go home. There are so many people visiting Xinghe. There has to be a bunch of good stuff. If I find a secret martial arts book, I'll be super nice and let you borrow it.
It's all right. The merchant caravan will keep an eye on her. She's safe here, so go ahead.
Okay, but don't forget to let me know when you're ready to leave.
Sora, what exactly
All the swordsmen in the storybooks go on treasure hunts.
Big one.
Could Aunt Han know of a hidden treasure and make it the prize at the first jar banquet?
first jar banquet? And you lucky lot are just in time.
My shoes won't fill them.
997.
What do I do?
199. No, 998. 900. Help me. No. A thousand cowtops. Divine hero, Are you finally going to teach me martial arts? It says to kowtow 1,000 times. But why isn't anything happening? Oh, curse that wayfarer! I spent all that money on a fake book?
My sushi won't fell down there. What to do? My sushi won't fell down there. What do I do? Look! There's a hole under this slab.
Under this slab? Why would there be a hole here?
I'm not sure either. I was just jumping around and the slab suddenly cracked open. I think I heard odd noises too. My suju ball fell down there. Could you get it for me? My suju ball fell down there. My sushi ball fell down there. What do I do?
It's a family heirloom. Brother, I heard that Liu Yan once built an underground shrine for Wang Qing. Do you think the Northern Vow treasure we're looking for might be here too?
Hey, you're pretty clever. Let's look around.
Is someone in there? Those clothes. Seems like someone from the Northern Vow.
What's happening? Why did that light come on? Let's check it out. Here. They also have kill them.
Bandits from the Tiger Fort nearby. What treasure are they searching for?
Quickly, find the mechanism.
Hey, there's a door here. Get me a barrel of explosives. Blow it open.
Northern Vow. Could this be a soldier who fell on this land as well? Huh? He's holding a book. Cloud Steps?
You thief! How dare you lay hands on Tiger Fort's treasures! If you know what's good for you, you'll hand over whatever you found, or I'll twist your head off.
Behind you! Treasure here? No response? Do I really need to kowtow 1,000 times?